Hi Vivek, how are you now? I'm so sorry to hear about your Dadaji's death. Would you please tell me what really happened?
Hi Cherry, I'm now better. Thank you for your condolence. I recently traveled to China and came back in 4 days. I didn't meet anyone who showed the symptoms of COVID 19. I thought I was safe and virus free. I was really happy to be back in India with my Dadaji. 2 days later, I got high fever, cough, and severe fatigue. When normal medicines couldn't help, my doctor tested me for COVID 19 since he was concerned with my travel history. I was shocked to discover that I had tested positive without actually going to Wuhan or being in touch of a coronavirus patient. I was isolated, treated, and luckily recovered, but my Dadaji got coronavirus too and died because of weakened immune system.
Oh, I am so sorry to hear that. Let's ask Dr. Shilpa about how does COVID-19 spread and how can we prevent it?
Hi Vivek and Cherry. The COVID-19 is a very contagious virus that attacks our respiratory system and leaves us in a pneumonia-like condition. This virus can spread from person to person just like in the case of Vivek, or even from objects. Suppose one person infected with COVID-19 travels in a plane. He may infect many others and then they would later infect others upon reaching their destination.
So, how can we stop the spread?
First of all, wear a mask. Wash your hands regularly and avoid touching your face again and again. Isolate yourself at home and go out only if it's extremely important. Use an alcohol-based sanitizer to disinfect yourself and get yourself tested if you show any symptoms.
Thank you so much, Doctor. We will definitely follow and pass on your instructions to our friends and family.
You're welcome, but you don't need to thank me. All you need to do is take extra care of you and your family. Follow the guidelines given by the doctors and the government. Together we can stop the spread until the vaccine is launched. And let's stay positive to cope up with this crisis and take every possible precaution to be a coronavirus negative.